This is the Lakehead University Library video on using the Omni search system to find ebooks. In this video, we will cover the ebooks topic guide, electronic encyclopedias, a basic search in Omni, and an advanced search in Omni. If you Google Lakehead Library, you'll come to the library homepage. For the ebooks topic guide, scroll down towards the bottom to the topic guides area and look for the ebooks topic guide. This guide gives some information about different ebook packages we have at Lakehead and some notes about allowances for printing and downloading from these ebook packages. However, all of these books can be searched through the Omni search system. To find the electronic encyclopedias, scroll down to Quick Links and Databases A to Z, and change the All Database Types dropdown to Dictionaries and Encyclopedias. There are several very useful encyclopedia packages on this page. If you go into one of them and type in a general topic, you will get results from different encyclopedias and dictionaries that this company provides access to. This first entry is from the Encyclopedia of Housing. This entry is from the World of Sociology. This entry is from the Human Diseases and Conditions. So both the word count, you would want to look for a longer word count, and the name of the encyclopedia that this entry is coming from will give you an idea of the usefulness of the entry for your research. Now, to find ebooks, you can do a simple search through Omni on our homepage. I'm going to try a well-known title like Pride and Prejudice. So far, that search did not tell Omni that I'm only looking for ebooks. However, this being a well-known title, several book versions have come up already. And I can see that this complete works of Jane Austen includes Pride and Prejudice and is available online. For this entry, there are multiple versions held here. I'm going to click on Pride and Prejudice. And I'm seeing a list of different versions we have at Lakehead. And this is a print book at the Early Harvey Legacy Library. And this is an ebook version. So I click this one. I see different options here for getting to the E version of this book. So in this page, I see a note about how many pages I can download. With this tool here, I could search a keyword within this book, and this tool will let me generate a citation for this book. And for this company, you can just scroll down to read through the book. That's a basic search. A more advanced search would be going from our homepage to Advanced Search in Omni. And if I want ebooks, I'm going to choose to only search at the Lakehead Library. Choosing this includes print and electronic at Lakehead. I'm going to say I only want books and ebooks and nothing else. I'm going to enter some keywords. So this search, there's 4 elements here. Only searching Lakehead resources, only wanting to see results that are books and ebooks. I want results to have either the phrase social justice or the phrase social welfare in their information. And I want a main topic or main subject heading to be Canada. The asterisk lets you find both Canada and Canadian at the same time. If you want to use or to search for synonyms, you must capitalize the word or. So my results come up, but so far I'm still seeing a mix of print and electronic. I haven't yet said I only want ebooks. I can do that with the available online filter on the left. And now my search is showing me only ebooks for the keywords that I entered. Now, one thing to note about when you view book results, sometimes what you are seeing will actually be more like a policy paper. So if I click on this one, and if I scroll down, I can see that this is a 17-page piece from Community Foundations of Canada. So this one would be more like a policy paper than a normal length book. However, other results, for example this one, if I scroll down, we are seeing that this is a nearly 200-page normal length book published by a normal publisher. And for e-access to this one, if I scroll back up, I see e-access here. And we are now within the e version of this title. If you need help, please contact us at one of the email addresses on this page. We have one-to-one research consultations available. Look for the liaison librarian for your subject area on our homepage. And as you use our website, you may see an Ask button pop up. That is live instant reference chat with a librarian who can help you as you do research. You can also follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.